Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to continue with our for loop statement in Python program. Remember, this is what we learned in the previous lesson. We learned how to use for loop with specifying starting number and ending number. All right. So, and this is an example we used in the previous lesson, where we've seen that this for loop prints numbers from 2 up to 9, because these 10 should not be included. Alright, so now let us focus on this one. Let us focus on this one where we have start, stop, and step. We have 3 parts: start, stop, and step. Alright, here start, we already have seen that this start is easy to specify where loop will start, while this stop it shows us where our loop will end, but without including the last number, if I can say so, without including the last number. Like here we can't include this 10, but for this step now is just to show us how our loop will go on. Right, it's just like a condition how our loop will be loop. Yeah, because for instance, once we uncomment this one, let us, or just let me comment it right new line here. Let us write like for. Remember, indentation matter here in Python. Let us write for I in range. Then starting point is just, let us start from 1, or just from 1. Then stop from where? From 10. Let us use 10. And step, let us put 2 here. Do you get this? Can you reveal what this means? Let us print our I here. Can you realize what these 2 will do in this loop? Let me give you also 5 seconds. Write your expected output of this loop in the comment section. Yes, simply these 2, as I already said, is one that controlling how our loop will be done. To mean that here this is, it means that our loop will be step 2 to mean will take number add 2, or just plus 2. It's like in C++ where we write, for instance, remember in C++, once we are dealing with this for loop, we just write like n plus 2. Remember this stuff, or just n equal to n plus 2. Remember this stuff in C++ program. So it's like here, these 2, to mean that will take number plus 2. Then print that number. Take also that number plus 2, and then print also that number. It's like just printing here odd number, because we will take 1 plus 2. Then we print I. In that case, I will be 3. Then we take 3 plus 2. We print the current I. Current I will be 5. Then 7, and then 9. Alright? Think about it critically. We will take 1 plus 2. To mean that we print, first of all, we print I. Here I is 1. After printing I, we take I, current I, plus 2. To mean that we get 3, then we print 3. Alright? Then 3 plus 2, we print 5. 5 plus 2, we print 7. Then 7 plus 2, we print 9. And then when we take 9 plus 2, will be 11, and we should stop with 10 minus 1. To mean we will stop with 9. We can't go beyond 9. Alright, so I think this also is clear. Let me run it and check with that we'll get expected output. Alright, let us save it, but before save it, let me make this comment here, also this comment, so that can just deal with this line only. Then of course I need to come and click on this run icon and wait for an output. Alright, Do you see? This is our output as we already said. It's just simple and obvious because we'll start with 1 and then we print I plus 2. This means that we'll take I plus 2. This is what means. You just take I plus 2. Alright, we'll print I first time, which is 1. Then for second time we'll print I plus 2. For third time we'll take also I plus 2, and so on and so forth up to 9, because this 10 cannot be included. Alright, so I think also this video is helpful for you, but if you have any question or idea, let me know in the comment section.